Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading logically. Plates and heavy items on the bottom and fragile glassware on top, so water reaches everything evenly. Once done, make sure food debris and plastics that can melt are removed because clogs and warping are common problems. Add detergent into the dispenser. Use the amount recommended for water hardness. Then check rinse aid to prevent spotting. Close the filter access and slide racks to align. These first steps set wash performance and prevent damage during the cycle. You now choose the correct cycle by matching soil level to program. Heavy for pots, eco for light loads to save energy. Once selected, adjust temperature or the sanitize option because higher temperatures improve grease removal and kill bacteria. However, delicate glass requires lower heat. Make sure water supply is open and the detergent door is fully closed so the dose releases at the right time. Finally, press start or set a delay if you want the machine to run later. This ensures optimal cleaning results. You finish by unloading the bottom rack first to prevent water from top dish condensation falling onto clean items below. Once empty, inspect and clean the filter and spray arms because trapped debris and limescale reduce spray efficiency. This is why monthly maintenance matters. If dishes aren't clean, check detergent age and strength. Confirm hot water reaches about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius at the machine, and inspect the inlet hose for kinks or low pressure. One key tip: run a cleaning cycle with vinegar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.